Hello everyone. Today's video session, I try to introduce one of that student benefits you are getting throughout GitHub. So today I try to explain how you can apply for GitHub Student Developer Pack by using your student email ID and your student ID card. So this program introduced for undergraduate students you who are eager to learn new technologies and new platform uh, with the help of these student developer pack. Throughout the student developer pack, you are getting there are hundreds of different benefits. Software benefits. You can get your free domain name. Also, you are getting MongoDB, free credits. You can get Microsoft Azure features. There are hundreds of free software technologies and free softwares, free platform to learn. They are delivered throughout these GitHub Student Developer Pack. To eligible to apply this GitHub Student Developer Pack, you need two things. Uh, the first thing you need a student email ID given by your university while you are doing as undergraduate period. Normally, most of the universities they are giving you student email IDs. That is the first requirement. Second requirement, you need a valid student ID card. So by using these two, we can apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack promotions. Also, you need a personal GitHub email account. You need a GitHub account you are developing by using your personal email ID. For that GitHub account, we can integrate your student email ID and we can apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. So without further delay, we will move for the session how we can apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Throughout this tutorial, I try to show you how you can apply for this program. Maybe upcoming video series, I will show you one by one. So I will try to explain few important softwares or few important benefits they are giving throughout this student developer pack, how you can utilize that each and every technology to enhance your knowledge as well as you to shape your skills which are highly required for moving for the industries. Okay, now I will move for the application process. Right, already I have login to my personal GitHub account. Right now you can see my screen. Right, so now I can log into my personal GitHub account. Right, so now I will show you. Actually, now my current account is a personal GitHub account. Right, there is no any organizational account. So now I will show you. This is my personal account. Also, throughout these GitHub Student Developer Pack, they are giving you GitHub Copilot, one of the uh, famous software tool nowadays, AI-based tool to develop codings, and you can customize the code by using this GitHub Copilot platform. So that platform also giving free for those throughout this program. The pro version you are getting free throughout these program. Maybe upcoming weeks I will show you how we can get that GitHub Copilot Pro version freely by throughout this program. So now if you notice, if you go to the setting, if you go to my profile image, so now if I click here, your Copilot or GitHub Copilot, so now it will show you up to now I don't have a pro version, right? So now it will ask you to start the Copilot free version. In the free version, there are limited facilities they are giving, but if you are getting pro versions, you are getting so many different benefits throughout this pro version. To get this pro version also, you need to apply for this GitHub Student Developer Pack. Once they verify your account, and they will provide you the access to these GitHub Student Developer Pack, right? So now the first thing, right? So you need to log in your personal email account based GitHub account, right? So you can log into your GitHub account, which one created by using your personal email ID. For that, this is my personal email ID based GitHub account. For that personal email ID based account, now I need to add the my student email ID. So now what where I can go? So just I can go to these profile picture. On this profile picture, you can click the my profile, or you can click the GitHub Copilot. So once you click this GitHub Copilot, you are getting this window, right? So on this window, you can notice in the drop down menu, you can notice something called emails, right? So once you notice this email, right? So you can click this email. Yeah, on this email, you are getting a new dashboard. On this dashboard window, you need to add your second email ID, right? So you have already one email ID. Right now, you need to add another email ID. This email ID must be your student email ID, right? So now I can enter my student email ID, right? Yeah. Okay, now I can copy paste my student email ID. Just if I click the add account, it will redirect for uh, verification process, right? My email ID is not verified yet. So just you can log into your student email ID. Just you can click the verification process, right? So just you are getting something. Uh, it will ask me to verify my account. So yeah, once you successfully verify your student email ID to your account, right? Right. So now let's say once you successfully verify your account, just you can refresh the page, right? So once you refresh this page, now you can notice your student email ID is verified, right? So with your personal GitHub account, your student email ID is verified, right? So this is the initial thing you need to do, right? So for your personal GitHub account, you can verify your student email ID with this personal GitHub account, right? So those who don't have a GitHub account, just you can Google it and you can create the GitHub account, right? So just you can Google it GitHub, right? So once you are getting this platform, right, in this GitHub platform, you can create your account as a freshers. If you don't have an account, you can create the account by using this window, right? Now we are ready to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack. Up to now, we have a personal Gmail account. For this personal Gmail account, we can uh, we can add the student email ID. Right now in the Google, right, you can search something GitHub Student Developer Pack. GitHub Student Developer Pack. Once you search in Google, you can notice this page, right? On this page, you can select this option, right? So the dashboard, it will show this is the page we need to apply for the Student Developer Pack, right? So now it will redirect to the GitHub Student Developer Pack program, right? So before you can click this link, you can log in with your personal GitHub account, the same browser. Right now, it will redirect me to the GitHub Student Developer Pack program. Okay. This is the dashboard window. It will show you the student GitHub Student Developer Pack, right? If you scroll down, you can find out what are the benefits they are giving to you guys as undergraduate students. What are the benefits you are getting throughout this program, right? So now they are giving you some course module to get the introduction about the Copilot, right? So you can understand the Markdown software application, right? You are getting an introduction about GitHub, right? So also you can get the GitHub foundation level certification free of charge throughout this program, right? You are getting an introduction about open source software development throughout this module. They will explain those things, right? You can learn AI prompt engineering and writing, technically writing skills, software tools, right? So they are giving security and monitoring tools. They are giving career readiness tools, right? So let's say maybe you are planning to organize some hackathons. then you need some software tools to organize the event. So they freely provide you hackathon in cloud, the tools to organize your hackathons, right? So maybe you are eager to work with data science or machine learning projects. You can utilize these tools by throughout these student developer pack programs, right? So maybe you are interesting to learn mobile app development throughout different platforms. They are giving you some benefits, right? So let's say maybe as undergraduate you are organizing some technical events, so they are giving you virtual event development kits, right? So virtually by using this tool you can organize your events efficiently and effectively, right? Likewise there are so many benefits they are giving. You can scroll down, let's say by using this window you can get a 1 year domain name. You are getting a free domain name with the SSL certificates by using this Namecheap facilities throughout these GitHub Student Developer Pack. You are getting Digital Ocean platform to deploy your applications with $200 free credits for 1 year. Also, they are giving by using name.com the free domain for you for 1 month, sorry, 1 year. So likewise, you can scroll down. So throughout this one, you can get Microsoft Azure Cloud credits, $100 free credits for 1 year, right? They're giving JetBrains free accounts, right? They are giving tech domains free, right? They're giving GitHub knowledge centers to learn. There are so many benefits. You can scroll down. There are hundreds of free technologies and free tools and softwares they are deliver for undergraduate students throughout this GitHub Student Developer Pack, right? You're getting MongoDB databases with $50 of free credits for MongoDB Atlas, right? The VS Code, that Pro versions, right? So there are so many things, right? You can scroll down. There are hundreds of free benefits you can achieve, right? So just scroll down. It will go up to now, right? So maybe upcoming weeks I will teach you how you can utilize each and every tool for develop something or to enhance your skills and knowledge as an undergraduate, or maybe while you are doing some projects how you can utilize these tools to get more facilities and features for your applications, right? So it will goes, right? So if you think about the value of these student developer pack, maybe we can say about $1,000, right? So more than that we are getting throughout the student developer pack, right? So don't worry, I will share this link in the comment sections, right? You can access this link and you can go through this video and you can apply for this program yourself, right? So to apply, without further delay, now we will move for how we can apply this program. So to apply this program, just you can click this green color button. So before you click this button, maybe you can log into your personal GitHub account and you can connect your student email ID with your account. So these are the prerequisites you need to do before apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack program, right? So first you need to log into your personal GitHub account, add your student email ID for your GitHub personal account. Then you can click this button. So it will redirect you to the educational benefits they are introduced for students throughout this GitHub Student Developer Program. So now you can click the start an application, right? So now throughout this link, you can apply for this student developer pack program. Right now, you can select the role in education. So you are an undergraduate student, you can select the student role. Now you need to search your university from this search window, right? So now I can type Southeastern University. So once okay, just I will type. Maybe it will show you, right? So Southeastern University of Sri Lanka. Now I can select that one, right? After I can select that one, maybe what is your school email ID, right? So it will automatically notice my student email ID. It will not automatically add if you fail to add your student email ID to your account, right? So once you add your student email ID, then only it will automatically show you this window. Otherwise, you go to your personal email ID and you go to your personal GitHub account, add your student email ID here. Now they will ask you to share the location. Right now you can, yeah, maybe you can share the location, right, of the university where you are, right? Oh, I shared my location. Right now, if I click continue, right? So now they will ask you my studentship verification process, right? So I need to verify I am a student, right? How they we can verify? Uh, to verify, normally we can use your student ID cards, right? So please select the type of the proof you would like to provide, right? So what is the proof you can verify your studentship? So for that one, there are different options are there. uh, Maybe you can use your student ID card, or maybe different things you can verify for your studentship, right? So now I can select dated school ID, right? This is the good one, right? So they are giving the level of each verification is how much that is a good, right? So maybe you can scholarship or financial letters, or maybe you can bursary letters. So maybe the good one, you can share your school ID card, right? So that just now I can select my uh, dated school ID card. Now I need to upload. Just I can click the start camera button, and I need to show my student ID card to this one, right? So for some data privacy issues, I can stop my screen sharing. Here, what you need to do, just you can click the start camera button, and you can keep your student ID card, and you can upload. You can keep your student ID card in front of your web camera, close to the web camera, until it will take the image of your student ID card. You need to keep the uh, student ID card in front of your web camera. Then you can take this picture, and you need to upload. Right now, I can stop the screen. Right. So once you upload your student ID card successfully, right, now they will ask a question, right? So maybe in the previous window you provided the location to share, right? Sometime your location are not correctly identified, then they will ask a question, why are you not on the campus, right? So no, maybe you can say you can click this one, and you can provide. Currently, I am on the campus and I am using a VPN or something, right? So maybe you can justify the reason why. Maybe that is because of that your location you are shared, right? So sometime if they are not selecting a correct location, it will ask, right? So now if I click the submit button, right, now my application has been submitted, right? Normally it will take 2 working days to verify your studentship, and so maybe after 2 days you can find out, right, your application is accepted or not, right? So once you successfully accept that application, your application has been submitted, you are getting with green tick, it indicates your application is accepted, right? Okay, that is a simple process, right? So just I will recap the things, right? You need a personal GitHub account. You need a personal GitHub account. For that account, you need to add your student email ID. Then you need to verify your student email ID. After that, you can Google it, and you can find out GitHub Student Developer Pack. Then you can go to that submission window, start an application. Then it will ask you some information, and it will ask you to show you the student ID card. Then once you show the student ID card, it will ask sometime for the verification process. It will ask some questions, right? After that, you need to submit your application. Once you submit the application, right, it will take two official working days to verify your application. After 2 days, you are getting a email once you are successfully enrolled to this program. Sometime if your application has some issues, they will send some feedback message. Then you can again apply if you have any issues with your application. Sometimes the student ID card you submitted is not clear. So again, they will ask you to re-upload your student ID card, clear image or not. It's up to your application, right? So once you successfully apply, and if they verify your studentship, you can get the notification within 2 days. So then after I will get the notification, maybe I will start the series of video tutorial how we can utilize each of the software tools and platforms we are getting throughout the student developer pack to enhance your skills or to develop some new project by using these technologies, right? Now we can apply these, right? Now maybe once you successfully apply, right, your window will refresh, right? So just you can notice here your educational benefit, your student developer kit application is pending, right? So now it means you apply today, right? Application type student application, your application has been received, is currently pending the review, right? Maybe within 2 days you can check your process, right? How we can check out? So just you can log into your GitHub account. You can notice something called, now you notice something in your billing and plan section. You notice something called educational benefits. Once you click this educational benefit option, you notice this menu. Maybe within 2 days, maybe you can frequently check, right? Then you can, once they will approve your request, you are getting the success, right? Your application is success. From next video onwards, I will show you after the successful enrollment to the student developer pack, right? From upcoming videos, I will show you how we can utilize each and every softwares and tools and technologies they are provide freely for the undergraduate students to enhance your skills, or you can utilize the tools to develop some highly skilled projects for your career, right? Thank you. We will meet on the next video.